Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting because we're going to be talking about the new Urban Decay Reloaded palette. But first, if you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down below. Urban Decay has launched a brand new palette. It's so beautiful. I just want to put it on my pillow and sleep with it. This is the Urban Decay Reloaded. They have reinvented their first naked palette with all new shades. It is $55 and it's going to be hitting online on urbandecay.com or CA on February 18th. It'll hit Sephora online on March 4th, and then it'll be in stores wherever you are on March 7th. The first naked palette, which I actually don't even own, that launched in 2010, and since then products have changed, eyeshadows have changed, so they wanted to reinvent their first palette with all brand new shades. So in here we have 12 brand new shades. 4 of them have bigger pan sizes than the rest because those are the shades that you're going to go through the most, which I think that that's a really smart idea for a palette. So thank you so much, Urban Decay. Like I said, I never had the first naked palette, but I remember that thing being so insanely popular. It was the go-to neutral palette, it was the go-to travel palette, and now they have reinvented it. And I cannot wait to put this on my face. The packaging of this guy is super sleek. It is this beautiful, like almost silky fabric. It has this beautiful orchid print and then the naked reloaded in gold. It's very sleek. I have never seen a brand do palette packaging like this. It Cosmetics does have, oh my god, look at all the cat hair on this. Let's just put that away. They do have a fabric one, but not as like silky smooth as this. Typically the naked palettes would come in this like kind of tin packaging, and just for comparison for size, this guy is a little bit smaller on all areas and just teenier a bit, but you still get the same pan size. It's just more travel friendly, which I really like because it's very compact, but it still feels sturdy at the same time. The variety of eyeshadow textures that you get in here are quite vast actually. There's 4, which I guess is typical for Urban Decay, but you have matte, satins, shimmers, and then some glitters in here as well. And you know what, let's just put this on my face because I cannot wait any longer. Bribe is a warm ivory matte. Barely Baked is a soft gold metallic. Angel Fire is a pale rose gold with iridescent micro shimmer. Retro is a bright matte peach. Reputation is a deep rose gold with iridescent micro shimmer. Burn is a coppery burgundy metallic. Endgame is a chocolate brown matte. Dreamweaver is a cool brown with iridescent 3D sparkle. Distilled is a bronze metallic. Bucked is a warm brown matte. Boundaries is a warm terracotta matte. Blur is a light nude matte. Endgame and Bucked are coming off a little bit like streaky in the swatch, but I promise you when you apply them on, they are super pigmented and super blendable. So I'm first going to prime my eyes with some Urban Decay primer potion. This is just the original. I'm also going to lay down quite a hefty amount of my Kat Von D setting powder because I don't know about this fallout. You guys know I'm a typical eyes first then base, but today I did it opposite way so you guys can, you know, look at me not looking, you know. One thing I will note about this palette, it does not come with a brush, which is kind of strange for Urban Decay palettes because typically they do come with a brush. But I'm actually okay with that because it does make it a little bit smaller and more compact. And who are we kidding? These days we're crazy. We're gonna bring like 20 brushes when we travel anyway. So I have my favorite Inglot blending brush. This thing, I love it so much. Now, there's some really beautiful camel colors over here. Retro is beautiful as well, and I feel like a lot of people are gonna go for that one for in the crease. And so that's just what I'm gonna do as well. I'm gonna pick that up. Wow, I really jammed it in there. So I'm gonna take Retro and pop this all in my crease. Oh, this is like perfect for Valentine's Day. All right. So far, it's blending like a dream. Like, that's very soft and subtle and nice. All right, first color down, and I really like how that blended. It's pigmented. There's literally no fallout, so let's carry on. People always ask me what my blending secret is. You guys, it is this Inglot brush. I'm telling you. And these eyeshadows are like super smooth. Okay, so I'm really impressed with that shade. That was gorgeous. This shade did explode quite a bit when I did put my brush into it. I was not trying to be gentle. I was just going to town, as you saw, but just note that. I've actually decided I might want to do like a smoky eye. I'm going to pick up this Endgame. I have just a Morphe blending brush. Oh wow, okay, all right. Okay, Urban Decay, look at that. Wow, Jesus, okay. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more retro. Actually, I might introduce another color into here. You know what? I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Bucked. No. Yeah, I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Bucked right here. And I'm going to just sandwich these two. Is this gonna be a little, oh no, that's good. Okay, so Endgame had a tiny little bit of fallout. I'm not mad at it at all. All right, I'm super impressed with color payoff of Endgame. It's like very dark and I'm quite enjoying that. So I kind of want to dig into Dreamweaver, which is this nice like glittery like fleck. It's super pretty, and I maybe just want to place this right on top. Let's just see. Should we be putting down a glitter primer? I mean, probably. What does that look like? Oh yes, honey. I think for safety's sake, I'm gonna put on a glitter primer. I'm gonna use the NYX glitter primer. Not that you need a glitter primer, I'm sure, but I just want that extra security. Oh God, yes. Oh, that's what I wanted. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my God. Oh, wow. Yes, 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 that's what I wanted. Yes. Dreamweaver, there's a lot more followed in Dreamweaver than in Endgame, but I think that's also because I was using the fluffy brush that I was using, so my fault. For my bottom lash line, I'm going to take this Urban Decay 24/7 pencil in the shade Double Life. I love this thing. I feel like it makes my eyes look so blue. I love this. When I apply this, I just like shove it right into my lash line and like underneath. Take my fingers and just kind of blend it in a little bit very gently, just as it's setting up and still creamy. I just find that it gives it a nice blendable, I don't know, look. Oh yes, queen, I love that, see? Oh. Then I'm gonna take a tiny little bit of Endgame and just pop that right on top of that. Nothing too crazy. Ooh, smoky. Okay, let's get rid of this fallout. I'm just grabbing a lot of Urban Decay today. Okay, love this brush though. This is actually my fallout brush. Oh, and now I'm staticky. Oh my God, you guys are so staticky. Ugh. Now for my inner tear duct highlight, I think I'm gonna go into a little bit of Bribe. I might put a little bit of Angel Fire on top. Ugh, I never get to do that, so I'm doing that. Pop that there. Yeah, and I'm gonna take a little bit of Angel Fire just because it's so pretty and pop that right on top. That's not really like showing up the way I want it. So I have a little bit of glitter primer here. I'm gonna pop some glitter primer there and then pick up Angel Fire. Oh yes, there we go. Okay, so it really does need like a primer in order to really come through and live. Oh God, yeah. Ooh, I love that. Okay, at this point I'm going to curl my lashes, put some mascara on, and then throw some lashes on. I'm using the Kish lashes in Pixie. Oh my God, like Lena's bird, Pixie. Oh. Oh God, I'm very happy with this look. For mascara, I actually really like this mascara, so I thought I'd mention it. It's the Maybelline Total Temptation. Love how it makes my bottom lashes look. I don't know why I just grabbed another Maybelline thing, but this was at the top of my drawer. So this is a, I don't think I've ever put this on my lips. This is a hot, Vivid Hot Lacquer. I think this color would just look really nice. Let's see. It's a little light, so I'm picking up this liquid latex, melted latex by Too Faced. I'm just gonna deepen it up a bit. There we go, that's a nice nude. Ooh. All right guys, there's the look. Do we live for it? Do we like it? I'm like genuinely like thoroughly impressed with this. I wanted to do like a little bit of a deeper look because I didn't want to be safe with this guy because I know that there's a lot of neutral tones, so I wanted to do something that was a little bit more bold just to show that you can. What is happening here? Can you please, sir? Please, sir? Excuse me? It's so staticky in here. This definitely gets like 8 thumbs up from me. I absolutely love this. I love the blendability of the shadows. I actually really do like the variety of the shades as well. I love the packaging. I love how small it is. I'm actually living for the fact that it doesn't come with a brush, even though I'm sure a lot of people will kind of be miffed. But then again, it is $55. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you've tried this out or you're going to be purchasing it, or you have any other questions, comments, concerns, leave it in the comments down below and I'll be sure to be back to you. Man, now I need to like go out or something. What do we think? I'm like feeling myself. I really do like this. I'm living. All right guys, I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.